Montleigh is marketed as an online fashion store offering stylish clothing, major discounts, and boutique-inspired designs. But the real question is, are all the sketchy signs actually there, or is this just another misunderstood online retailer? Now, to be fair, not every unfamiliar clothing store is a scam. Many newer retailers operate online without having a large brand presence, and some customers receive exactly what they ordered. What it does well, the website looks professional. At first glance, the store appears similar to many modern fashion retailers. The clothing photos are attractive. The products are presented in a way that makes them look stylish and high quality, where the sketchy signs start appearing. The discounts may seem unusually large. This is the biggest issue. Constant site-wide sales and steep markdowns are common among stores that rely heavily on impulse purchases. Company information can be difficult to verify. Many lesser-known online stores provide limited details about their ownership history or physical operations. Independent customer feedback may be limited. Without a strong track record of verified reviews, it can be hard to judge the real customer experience. So are all the sketchy signs there? Short answer: there are enough common warning signs that shoppers should proceed carefully and do additional research before ordering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.